Hey guys, how's it going? Kind of excited here because I got my Amaria food shipment today. Yay! These bars are great. Gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, um, all plant-based, great nutrition, awesome for all my training, racing. I use them all the time. My favorite right here are the pineapple chia. These bars are great. They've got dates, coconut, chia seeds, some rice, pineapple, and dried fruit. They're amazing. Really can't talk better about them because they really do satisfy. They taste great, and they've really been awesome to bring to any type of event that's going on. Which brings me to, hey, look at this. They gave me this jug of bars that says